story of a
Tragedy
boy from
strikes
Basil
over
who
Coeur
became the
Lake in
maestro of
Idaho,
the court.
where a mid-air collision between two planes has left 8 people feared dead. We bring you the latest on this devastating incident. On Sunday afternoon, 2 planes collided head-on above Coeur Lake in Idaho, crashing into the water below. According to the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office, the plane sank shortly after the collision.
By 14,
Authorities
he was
received a call
Switzerland's junior
immediately
champion.
after the incident,
His
and
talent
recovery
was
efforts are
undeniable,
underway.
his passion unstoppable. In 1998, Federer won the Wimbledon
Lieutenant
Junior
Ryan
title.
Higgins
A
confirmed
year
that
later,
2
he
victims,
joined the
both
Swiss Davis
deceased,
Cup team.
have been recovered
By
from the wreckage.
2003,
6
he claimed
others
his
remain
first
missing
Grand Slam
and are
at
feared
Wimbledon,
dead.
announcing
The
his arrival
victims
to the
include
world.
both adults and children, though no further details have been released. Sonar teams have located the planes deep in the lake, and officials estimate that recovering the debris could take 1 to 2 days.
From 2004 to 2009, Federer dominated tennis. He won 3 Grand Slams in a single year, multiple times. His fluid movement, pinpoint accuracy, and mental fortitude made him nearly
The Federal
unbeatable.
Aviation Administration has identified one of the aircraft as a Cessna 206. The make and model of the second plane remain unknown. Both the FAA and the National Transportation Safety Board are investigating to determine the cause of this tragic collision.
Federer's legacy
Authorities
is
have not yet
intertwined
confirmed
with
the
epic
number of
rivalries.
passengers on each
Against
plane.
Rafael Nadal, he battled clay and character. With Novak Djokovic, he tested endurance and evolution. These duels defined an era, the Big Three.
Witnesses reported seeing or hearing the collision, with some observing the aftermath. As the investigation continues, our hearts go out to the families affected by this tragedy. Stay tuned for updates as more information becomes available.
Beyond the court,
This has
Federer
been Your
was a
Name
strategist.
reporting for your news
His
channel.
one-handed